After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. To start today's tip in a container, I will add coarse salt enough until almost complete the container, just like I'm doing here. After adding the optimal amount of coarse salt, I will now also add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. And now let's mix, remembering that alcohol is responsible for exhaling the smell throughout the environment and also helps scare away insects. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Amanda Tenorio from Santa Catarina. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. After mixing well, I will now add the fabric softener.